Intense storms on the way. It's just soggy and gross right now.
It really is.
It really is. I mean, if you've been outside in this over the last couple of hours, first off, we've got temperatures in the upper 60s, a ton of Gulf moisture as well. So all those factoring together, well, that will lead to the potential of severe weather a little later on. Let's go ahead and look at the temperature, and we are at about 68 degrees. Winds are south at 17 miles per hour, and the instability that's created by warmer temperatures, it's kind of what we're seeing right now, especially to the west of Highway 69, where we've seen a little bit of rain today, but that rain has since moved off to the east. Still seeing some relatively heavy showers and thunderstorms in deep East Texas, but once again, those warmer temperatures will increase the instability prior to those storms getting here, and that's one of the three major factors you need to produce severe weather. A secondary factor is a lot of wind energy, which we have that right now. Winds are strong out of the south, anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour. The second main ingredient is that Gulf moisture. I just mentioned that, and the dew points are high in the middle 60s and may increase a degree or two more prior to the storms getting here. And we've already seen a few showers and thunderstorms tapping into that Gulf moisture, including here in Cass, Marion, and Harrison counties right now. So if you're traveling north or southbound along Highway 59, it will be a wet commute. It will be safe over the next couple of hours, but just know it will be wet and you do need to slow down. Showers in eastern Smith County starting to move further into Gregg and northern Rusk County. I would say the most intense storm in our area is currently just to the east of Lufkin in southern Nacogdoches County, moving over Sam Rayburn and into San Augustine County. But well off to our west, as Casey was mentioning, several warnings out for Dallas County. Now a severe thunderstorm warning. There's White Rock, and that continues to move off to the east. Eventually that is going to move into Rockwall County, and these will be storms we will have to keep a watchful eye on as they push off to the east, because as Casey mentioned, most of our weather comes from the west, and if those storms are intense there, they could be intense when they arrive in our area within the next hour or two. So here's Futurecast. We're tracking that line of showers and thunderstorms. About 8 o'clock tonight, it will be moving through our northwestern counties. It's extending from Terrell just to the southeast of Sulphur Springs and Hopkins County to Mount Pleasant. And then we advance that to about 10 o'clock. We're starting to see the arrival of the storms in Tyler, Longview, and Linden. And then a little later on in the future, these storms do show a little bit of a weakening trend. This is midnight, still tracking those storms through deep East Texas. And then they start to move off to the east into Louisiana by early tomorrow morning. We're talking 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. These storms will be out of East Texas, and that severe weather threat will come to an end. And then we just have some leftover showers here and there early tomorrow morning, but clearer skies tomorrow afternoon. Despite that, the air is going to have a bit of a bite to it, meaning temperatures are going to be in the lower 50s, so pack that jacket if you have it tomorrow, because it will get chilly. Okay, more in-depth look at the storm timeline for places like Athens, Mineola, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, Sulphur Springs. The time frame for you is between 7 and 11 o'clock. Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, Henderson between 9 and 1 o'clock in the morning, and in deep East Texas between about 11 and 3. But as we have seen in the DFW area, I can't rule out an isolated storm or two. One of the main threats of severe weather will be the hail probability, mainly in our northwestern counties, but also includes most of East Texas, in that 15% chance that severe hail of quarter size or larger occurs within 25 miles. So a good idea would be to make sure you park your car under a covered space, or if you have a garage, go ahead and put it in the garage for tonight. We also have those strong damaging wind possibilities, so make sure the trash cans are indoors or in the garage. Tornado probability now through 7 o'clock Friday. We are seeing the potential at a few tornadoes. Again, that's a lower chance, only about a 5% chance, so something we're keeping an eye on, but nonetheless, tornadoes are not the main severe weather threat for this one. Next 7 days, 56 Saturday, 51 Sunday, 54 Monday. We're still in the 50s Tuesday, but warming up Wednesday into next Thursday. For the latest case